And we have come to know that both your parents are already civil servants.
Yes, sir.
They are in the police service, or
So my father is in the police service, my mother is in the revenue service.
she is in the revenue service.
Well, how you are able to utilize your knowledge to solve problems. So that has been the issue in our education sector, and
I
that
was
is
looking
why
at your DAF. You studied from elite schools. Both your parents are civil servant. Sir very rightly asked you. It appears that you are coming from a very elite background. But I would like to believe that that is not the case. So, to just allay that fear, can you just tell me, recently, day before yesterday, all North India had the huge hailstorm thing.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the current status of crops in our country right now in this area, and what is the impact of these hailstorm on the crops?
Sir, in northern India, sir, right now we are in the Rabi season, and a lot of winter crops are being grown right now. For example,
Are being sown, are being plowed. What is the status right now? We are in February's first week.
right, sir. So wheat which was sown earlier, it is now under the growth stage right now, wheat. And sir, for example, in Uttar Pradesh, sugarcane is also being.
Just beating around bush. Tell me, what is the impact of hailstorm on the crop? What is the status of crop right now? Yes or no? You may say, sir, I don't know.
Sir, I'm not aware.
No problem. You studied anthropology.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the anthropological basis of religion?
Of religion?
Yeah.
So, from an anthropological point of view, there have been two perspectives into this. So, one has been the functional perspective, which says that, sir, religion was actually started to fulfill certain functions of our human needs. For example, sir, humans have always feared death, and they've always feared what is unknown to them. So, religion as such allays those fears. Religion.
Wasn't it the function of science?
Sir?
Wasn't it the function of science?
No, sir. Science is different as compared to religion, because science is based on certain empirical evidences. But sir, here when humans, they were not aware of what is happening around them, they began to believe in some certain entities that exist beyond this world. So sir, that is how religion came into being. So religion basically fulfills these basic human needs. It allays our fears of the unknown. So that
Your
is
father is
the
IPS officer. You must be very closely watching what is happening in Kolkata. Can you tell me what exactly is this state police versus the central police conflict, and what CBI draws its power from? We know police is a state subject.
Right, sir. So CBI basically was established under the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, and sir, police is a state subject definitely, but certain states have given their general consent to CBI to investigate cases which happen in their territory. But sir, for example, West Bengal is not one of those states that has given that general consent. So what has happened is, sir, the CBI was investigating certain cases in the Chet Fund scam, and they wanted to investigate the DG, the officer of the West Bengal cadre. So sir, they had been directed by the Supreme Court also to investigate into these cases, and as such, sir, the law of the land, if the constitutional courts allow the CBI, then they have the authority to investigate cases in any territory. So sir, they went to investigate there, and unfortunate incident happened there, and so that is basically the brief background of this.
So what do you think? What provisions in the constitution can be put to force so that such a conflict is avoided?
Sir, provisions of the constitution, sir, I cannot say as such, but sir, we have to have a proper mechanism of coordination between the center and the states. And so that has to be respected. So for example, a proper memorandum of understanding, a proper standard operating procedure has to be there, sir, in my opinion.
You're still single?
Yes, sir.
We are in Fab. Propose to this water glass.
So February is the month of the Valentine's Day, and this water is clear. It has a very pure, clear heart, and I know it will quench my thirst and what I'm looking for, love. And therefore, water glass, if you could just be mine, I'll cherish you forever.
Thank you.
Akshat, you belong to